Making news this bulletin, Durban University of Technology creates awareness of the challenges that disabled students face by hosting DUT's Disability Day.
Muscle and fitness were the main attraction at the Durban Playhouse Company this past week. And in honor of Women's Month, we asked South African women what they feel about this auspicious day.
Good day, I'm Nutile Mbata.
And I'm Chris Amans, and you're watching Journalism Iziko News. DUT hosts a Disability Day in order to bring awareness to some of the challenges students face on a daily basis. The organizers of the event hope that the university will cater adequately for the students.
To prepare something.
DUT hosted its first ever Disability Awareness Day at Ritson Hall on the Ritson campus. The day was created by Gugu Sakolo to raise awareness for students with disabilities.
The message that I wanted to bring across was to be able to speak to people who are abled and less abled, to be able to bring across a new meaning and of the word disabled, so that you can look at it through a different lens, And so instead of saying you're disabled, which meaning that you are not able, to rather look at it in the sense that you are less abled at that specific time in your period of your life.
Students with disabilities shared their stories with all in attendance.
Actually, it feels very great and inspiring, and to know that DUT is also aware of people like us who are living with disabilities, and that we are also able to actually go out and reach out in the communities and make people aware.
Giles for the disabled. Are you keeping up? Okay. All right. So, has anyone here heard about St. Giles for the disabled? Any students?
DUT Disability Awareness Day was a massive success. All those in attendance today will be going home knowing that a disability does not hold someone back in life, listening to all the various speeches here today. I'm Vinal Naidu, reporting for Journalism Iziko from the DUT Ritson campus.
The International Federation of Bodybuilding hosted their annual provincial tournament at Durban's Playhouse Company. Vinal Naidu has more.
The International Federation of Bodybuilding KwaZulu-Natal District held their annual tournament at Durban's Playhouse on Saturday. Over 160 athletes went head-to-head in a packed theatre, and the chairman of IFBB KZN has high hopes for the province.
KZN is actually one of the powerhouses of bodybuilding in this country. We consistently win best province for the last 3 years in a row. And looking at the guys we have here today, I'm sure we will do it again for the fourth year running.
To the left, turn around facing. Or to the left, turn around facing.
As a coach, we always want the best for our athletes, but we also want them to be healthy and also enjoy the process and enjoy the journey. We've got a lot of newbies that start with me, so you want that first experience on stage to really be a memorable one for them to want to actually compete, because I think the industry has got to a point where we are really, really growing and we increase in numbers, but there's a lot of banter. So you want to be able to keep up that confident morals and actually push the sport in the correct way.
And relax, still turn around facing.
The best bodybuilders in the province have graced Durban's Playhouse today, with the winners being selected to participate in the national tournament later on this year. I'm Vinal Naidu, reporting for Journalism Iziko.
And to end off, we asked South African women what Women's Day means to them.
Women's Day to me means that women are very strong, women are independent. What they did back then was very brave. I don't think this generation would have survived that, but then we are celebrating them now because they are strong, they are independent, and they fight for what they want. That's what Women's Day means to me.
It feels empowering to be a woman because women have been through so much, and now we have rights, and so it's good to be a woman.
Women's Day, I met the men to appreciate the women, and I like it because the men's gonna respect us as a woman.
Okay, Women's Day is so important to me because being a woman means being powerful. Although people say, oh, but a man can do better, I always feel that women are stronger. So being a woman on Women's Day, I feel so extra special because I'm strong and I'm empowered. I can do what I want to do as a woman and be respected for that. I can dress the way I want because I'm a woman. And people shouldn't be like, oh, you're dressing to get his attention. No, I'm dressing because I love my attention that I get from other people because of the way I dress. Being a woman means being me.
That's all we have time for today.
Catch us next time for your news, sports, and entertainment headlines. I'm Nutile Mbata.
And I'm Chris Amant. Goodbye.